Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and commissions have recently come in with OLSP System. And on the right hand side here now, you'll see my commissions total is $49.60. I'm going to come back into the members area shortly and just show you exactly what you get with this system. And it's one side hustle and one link, and you can earn 7 passive income streams. So I'll come to this page again shortly. First of all, I want to show you that with the link in the description, you can get a free video tour, and there are no monthly membership costs with this offer. So it's perfect for beginners if you haven't made your first dollar online yet, or you're struggling to make commissions. Excuse me. And it's also great if you want to add an additional income stream to your portfolio. What I like about it is it's a done-for-you system, 100% done for you. Everything's created for you. You get automated follow-ups, included trainings, which I'll come to shortly. And the Facebook group has got 142,000 members within that Facebook group. So you're going to get full support and training. There will be an income disclaimer in the description. So we're not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. We've all got an equal opportunity with OLSP System to become a member and also an affiliate to promote the program. So let's just have a look now inside the members area. So when you join, it's a one-time $7. And then you're going to get, you see your link in the top right hand corner here, you're going to get your promotional link here. That's going to be it's called a mega link. That's what Leona Wayne calls it. Step 1, watch this video here. Step 2 and step 3. So it's very simply laid out. It's very beginner friendly. And I'm going to show you proof of the commissions here. So go into commissions, your commissions, total $49.60. And I'll just show you here. So the 7 income streams, I'm blurring out the members' information for privacy, but you'll see the total there in the balance in this column here is $49.60. And 2 products out of the possible 7 have been sold. So the mega link is this one here. And then there's one here called Mega Messenger, which is a one-time offer, special offer. So Wayne follows up with the emails for you. So you've got an opportunity there with a done-for-you system. So you don't even need an autoresponder. You don't have to create a lead capture page. You don't have to create any email follow-ups. That's why it's really perfect for beginners as well, if you haven't developed those skills yet, to be able to do that. What I like about it here is this commission generator. I want to show you this because this is really key. It gives you, you can promote other offers, you can promote trainings and other offers to earn commissions. So you can do this on social media or to an email list. So watch this video to see how to earn commissions by promoting our live trainings. And that's a 14-minute video there by the owner Wayne. So it gives you all the resources, and they're absolutely superb. The training's superb. Promote evergreen offers here. Watch this video to learn how to earn commissions by promoting our products. 14-minute video there. And then if you come down to here, then you will see all the resources and the commission breakdown here that you can earn. So if you want to promote, as an example, Megalink as a BizOp funnel, so all you would do is just Control C, copy that there, put that into, let's just show you that page there and show you what just the quality of these pages. So the quality here is absolutely superb. Your prospects can take a free video tour here for about 15 minutes and meet Wayne the owner. It gives all the benefits and resources of what your prospects are going to get, testimonies, problems and solutions. So some really superb resources in the members area here to be able to generate more commissions, and also a couple of really superb free trainings. I'll just come back into the dashboard and show you these here. So when you get your mega link, there'll be a link in the description where you can get a free video tour, and you can also join through that link. And then this one here is a free training. You click on access product, and then here's a training. And this training here is live, how I made $10 million in commissions. So an absolutely superb training here by the owner, Wayne. It's a live that he did. And then if we go on to, let's have a look at another one over here. The other three, let's go back onto the dashboard. The other free product here is another training here, access. So you're going to get these free trainings with the mega link. It's called the 100 commission hack. So superb value, and just finding my way around this system. Go back onto dashboard here as well. And the Facebook group has got 142,000 members. So Wayne himself, the owner, does live trainings within this Facebook group. He does a one live training every week, and he's earned $10 million online. Income disclaimer in the description. He's an 8-figure earner. So you really are learning from the best of the best as well. There's a lot more benefits, which I'm not going to cover in today's video. I don't want the video to go on too long, but I just want to sort of share with you the basics and really the superb value you get for a one-time payment of $7. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified excuse me, of all my new videos. There is one thing I forgot to show you, and that is the lead capture page that you get. So you copy a link there, and we'll go into a new tab here. And this is a lead capture page that you get with the system. So you just promote one link, you promote a lead capture page, and then when your prospects opt in here, then Wayne does all the follow-up emails for you. So you don't have to create a lead capture page. It's professionally done for you. You just promote one link, and then they do all the follow-ups for you. So I forgot to show you that. So I do want to show you that, because that's really important, because a lot of people think they're going to have to create lead capture pages to be able to promote this offer, and that's done for you. There's even a pop-up there for when people are about to leave if they haven't opted in. So any questions about OLSP system, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. My email address will be in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.